Hi, this is Nikhil. We are about to go through user onboarding flow of Dodo Payments, which is a payments and billing platform for SaaS and digital products. So basically, onboarding process would ideally start from the Google search engine. Usually, we think the onboarding process would start from the sign up page or from the landing page. So as you can see, there's a page trying to sponsor ads on Dodo Payments keyword. Interesting. Google Payments accept payments instantly and set up billing flexibility with usage-based subscription and one-time model, all without building your own infrastructure. Sounds good. It would be great if there are certain use case related keywords embedded within meta description. But overall, nice structure. Cool. Payments and billing platform for SaaS, AI, and business products. This is selling the use cases here, and description saying how it is going to be. Awesome, nice. Establishing trust, showcasing the product, explaining features. We can jump right in, and that maybe we can look at pricing page. And here it is saying welcome back, but I've never been to this page as a new user. So ideally, I would. It would have been better if something that reinforces the value of this platform instead of generic welcome back and log into Doodle Payments account. This, let's jump right in. Alright, we finished the sign up process. Let's get through the onboarding set process. Maybe let's do services. Maybe I'm a freelancer and maybe I do consulting work and I would like to do services. Interesting. So I think there are a couple of things that could be better on this particular section to improve the user experience. One thing, you could pre-select this input box when user first lands here, out of focus. So user just needs to start typing instead of moving the cursor here and clicking on this. And second thing, based on the user IP address, you could auto-populate this location. And in rare cases, if user is using VPN or something else, they could change it. I think this could be multiple choice question instead of a normal input box because ideally user don't want to don't know what to type here in the first instance when they came across the product. If you have provided certain options, they would potentially click on certain options and go ahead. Yes. Okay, this SaaS products, custom products, supported use cases, services. So in that case, interesting. If services and these stuff are unsupported, I would ideally hide those in the dropdown itself instead of providing those options and then again stating unsupported. Same goes for the geography, or for geography, I might show the country, but I might disable that option and on hover. And you could say coming soon or not yet open or unsupported currently, or might open in future, something like that. So now I have to go back and select something else. It is showing again, so which means it's not picking up the signals from the input box. It is a hard-coded flow. No matter what I select, this disclaimer will be shown. Interesting. On a first glance, it appears to me like everything is sort of fighting for the attention, and most essentially, this is fighting for more attention than anything else, and this too. But on the get started flow, it would be ideal if you guide the user through. You have to visually guide user through what steps you have to go through, what steps user has to go through in a sequence. So here, if you look on surface, everything is sort of on a same priority level on a visual hierarchy, which makes it hard for user to pick which one to select. And it is also information overload because everything is fighting for the same level of hierarchy and same level of priority. So, but overall, it's a very pretty quick onboarding process. Thank you.